Here is what is coming up on Saturday's episodes of Around the House with Eric G. Make sure you are subscribed to the podcast on your favorite podcast player. If you want exclusive content and early access, make sure and subscribe to the Around the House Insider. Eric G gives you his top 10 tips for adding a little luxury to your home without that luxury price. Things are expensive out there, so here are his tips to add some feels without the huge price.
The hardest part sometime will be finding something that you're trying to match. Now, hotels can be interesting. Many companies will use more inexpensive stuff because they have to do such massive scale on it. So you might find something at Floor & Decor or Home Depot, but really the stuff that you're going to see is bulk and you're just going to have to do some looking. Now, if it's a newer hotel and you could ask around and see who the design firm was on it, you might be able to track it down backwards if you want that exact piece. But usually those pieces, when they're putting them
in this hour of the Around the House show with Eric G, he is going to give you 10 solid things you can do around your house to help age in place. It doesn't matter if you are in your final home or just have a surgery coming up. You might want to catch these tips to make access easier for your home.
I say installing a comfort height toilet, a couple inches taller, that has at least a nice bidet toilet seat on it that plugs in, can be a game changer for people that have limited abilities. Hear me out on this. Nobody wants to have to yell out for somebody to help them when they're in the bathroom. It is demoralizing. It is not easy. No one wants to have somebody come in and help clean them up. And if you can give yourself or others in your family the power to be able to do this on their own by punching a button on a remote, like on a Toto washlet.
All that and more on Saturday's Around the House show with Eric G. Are you an Around the House insider? To get the show early with exclusive content, check out the link in the show notes below. Make sure you catch our new website at aroundthehouseonline.com. Otherwise, our 2 new episodes publish each Saturday here on your favorite podcast player. Thanks for tuning into Around the House. We will see you on Saturday.
Hey, it's Eric G from Around the House. If you want flavor, ignite the summer, master the heat. Inspired by Southern grilling traditions, Monument Grills brings backyard barbecue to a whole new level with the powerful E605. It preheats to 500 degrees in just 3 minutes. 5-burner infrared power up to 89,000 BTUs. Dual fuel ready, Bluetooth smart controls, and eco-friendly LED touch panel. Solid stainless build, legendary performance, unforgettable flavor. Grill like a pro? Visit monumentgrills.com. That's monumentgrills.com, because this summer, you're not just grilling, you're mastering the heat.